Hey, food science students, welcome to our next section of the class, which focuses all on nutrition. So this is going to be a section that you probably find to be very applicable to your life. There is a little bit of math, and of course, there's a little bit of chemistry in here too, though. So kind of bear with me and complete your cheat sheet as we go along, and we'll be in good shape. So our learning targets for today, we'll be able to describe the importance of nutrition in our own words. We'll be able to recall key information about the 6 classes of nutrients. We'll demonstrate healthy lifestyle choices that align with the nutritional recommendations from the United States Department of Agriculture, or the USDA, and we'll be able to calculate the values on a nutritional label. Nutrition is broadly defined as the science or study of food and the ways that the body uses that food. The sum of all different processes involved in the intake, assimilation, and utilization of the proper amounts of nutrients to maintain health, well-being, and productivity is another way to look at nutrition. And nutrition isn't just what we eat. It is an entire process from the minute we intake the food to the minute it is excreted from our body. Nutrition relies on a diverse, adequate diet and is essential for the development and maintenance of the body from infancy to old age. Now, if this were animal science, we would spend a lot more time talking about the difference between maintenance and production. But we're not going to do that in here because we are not focusing on animals, we're focusing on humans. Okay? Food is essential because it contains the nutrients that the body needs to do the following. It helps us develop, grow, maintain, replace, and repair cells and tissues. It helps us resist and fight infection and recovering from illnesses. It produces energy, warmth, movement, and work. Gives us the energy to do that. And lastly, it carries out chemical processes such as digestion. So proper nutrition is essential for all of these different things. Nutrients, on the other hand, are the particular substances in food that the body uses to function properly. And there are 6 major classes of nutrients, which our next video is going to hit on. However, there are 2 different types or categories that nutrients can fall into, and that's macronutrients and micronutrients. Macro, think Big Mac, are nutrients that are needed in large quantities, whereas micronutrients are nutrients that are needed in smaller quantities. So an example of a macronutrient would be carbohydrates. 60% of our diet, in fact, is carbohydrates, or should be if you were a healthy person. Micronutrients, on the other hand, are items such as vitamins and minerals that are required. Still, they're very important, but they're needed in less amounts. I have a video here that we are going to watch in the playlist next. So please take a look at that. Look at this little diagram here to know the difference between a macro and a micronutrient. And we are going to stop there. Thanks for watching.